Hello again, everybody. Wayback Sports Cards, and we're here with a baseball box break. You see in front of you, 1991 Top Stadium Club, second series. I'm going to share some information about this product on the screen now as I open this box and tell you a little bit about what's going on here. I bought this box full of 36 packs. I've opened about 12 packs, or I've put them into various giveaways that I plan on doing or have done. So we're going to open the remaining 24 packs, and really, 1991 Stadium Club is a landmark product. It is the first year Topps did Stadium Club. It's their first premium set. You'll see in a moment glossy photos, 2 series, so each series is 300 cards. And really, Series 2 only has a few key rookies. Jeff Bagwell's the key one, but Luis Gonzalez, Jeff Conine are the other 2 notables. And with that, we are going to quickly get into this here, and you'll see very, very quickly. These are cello packs and tough to break, but you will see in a moment why this is a premium product. As I open the first card is Cal Ripken Jr., and you'll see no white border. It's a glossy photo, name at the bottom, some gold foil stamping on it. And I'm going to turn it to the back, and they show you the player's rookie card, which is beautiful for collectors at the time. What's Ripken's rookie card? Well, if you don't know, now you do. And then various information as to where he hits pitches best, an evaluation, how he does against certain pitchers, a little box of scouting report. But that to sacrifice that, instead of full career stats like the Topps base product does, all they show is the previous year and the career stats. But there you go, an awesome, awesome looking card. And you will see this as we go along. Sid Bream, the Rock. I love they used Rock Reigns on that. Hall of Famer Tim Raines. And they even give you the card that tells you what that scouting report is on the back, if you care to read about that. So it's interesting take, but this glossy card is really their premium product. Unfortunately, there's a lot of flipping I'm going to have to do here. And I'm just going to probably just get to the point where I'm just going to flip when I see a card of a player worth stopping for. Because otherwise, I think this video could be 40 minutes long, and we don't want that. I don't think anybody wants that. So, and a little bit of bricking in the product, so you can see the glossiness has created a little bit of bricking. Tewksbury, Terry Steinbach. These are just great photos. Roger McDowell with some fans. Willie McGee, batting champion. Pat Kelly. This is Pat Kelly's rookie card. Second baseman for the Yankees. Checklist. Rafael Belliard. Johnny O, John Olerud, Gene Nelson. I thought that was the Eck for a moment. Mike Stanley, Scott Erickson, Mark Gardner, Joe Bover, Wes Chamberlain, Alfredo Griffin, Sharperson, Randy Velarde, and Ken Griffey Sr. So there you go. That might be the last year of Ken Griffey Sr.'s cards. Mike Stanton later became a Yankee. Paul Sorrento. Here we go. Deion Sanders. Nice card there. And you can see I'm not really stopping on too many cards here. I'm already 3 or 4 packs in and not much to speak of. I mean, the Cal Ripken right off the bat and the Rock Reigns. So you can see, 600 card sets. This is 300 cards in this series too. Just the player selection's a little lacking. Really could use a nice subset. Jamie Moyer, Tim Wallach, another Paul Sorrento, another Deion Sanders. But you can see the collation's the same. Pedro Munoz, same guys. And we're just a few packs in. So, Topps not doing the best job of just mixing these up. And it just, if you're opening a box of these, you can see, and there's a reason why I didn't put all 36 packs in this box, because we'd be at this for 40 minutes and there'd just be a lot of duplicates. We did find a Joe Carter there just a moment ago. Nice action shot. One of the few mug shots that we've got here. Rick Cerrone with the Mets. Chris Gwynn. Mel Hall. That's that. So, not much. I mean, in my pile over here, I'm holding on to 4 cards. I mean, this is really says a lot about the product. I mean, the quality's great. There's Ron Gant. The Candyman, John Candelaria. Tommy Green, Ron Hassey, Steve Decker. We got the Otis Nixon mug shot. A couple of mug shots here in a row. Mark Davidson, Frank DePino, Greg Harris, and Scott Kamenicki. Rough player selection here. Keep this in mind if you're buying this product. Really just looking for looking for a Bagwell or something at this point. Hal Morris, Chris Nabholz. I'm not even, there we go. Tony Gwynn. Nice mugshot. He's smiling there. That's a good one. Junior Felix. Hard hitting Mark Whitten. Ernie Riles and Rob Ducey. So, Juan Augusto, Juan Berenger, 2 Johns in a row, Jamie Quirk, and the Eck himself, Dennis Eckersley. And then we're back to duplicates. Hal Morris, Chris Nabholz, Mike Pagliarulo, Wegman. But it does lead to another Tony Gwynn. Wilkerson, Alejandro Pena, and Brent Maine, so... Jeff Blauser of the Braves, Scott Aldred, Luis Sojo. I do want to show that's a great picture. Looks like he may have just dropped a bunt. Terry Pendleton, the 91 MVP. John Habian, Pete Smith, Eric Plunk, Jack the Ripper, Jack Clark. Dan Wilson, Sil Camposano, Chris Hoyles, Mitch Webster. Rough. Mike Stanley. Searcy, Kevin Apier, I will show that. Ace of the Royals, John Smoltz, Hall of Famer there. One of just a few here. Mike Schooler. A Rocket, Roger Clemens. Ollie Backman, late career. Matt Young and Hubie Brooks with the Mets. A lot of spring training shots, it looks like here. Another thing I've noticed, a lot of blue skies and batting practice jerseys. So looks like a lot of spring training cards or shots here. There's the Jeff Conine rookie card. We will hold on to that. Jeff Conine, nice career. Mike Schooler, Russ Swan, Tim Burke. So you see just duplicates, but we do get another Clemens, Wally Backman, Matt Young, Hubie Brooks, Brian McRae. So you get that, 5 or 6 card stretch of the same exact guys again. Once you hit one, you know what you're going to get next. Right off the bat, Big Mac, Mark McGuire, Kent Merker, Vince Coleman, and I show this because he's stealing a base, and they show him exactly what show you him doing exactly what he's good at. Candiotti, look at that knuckleball grip, great shot. Carl Nichols, looks like somebody maybe forgot to call for it. There we go. Darryl Strawberry, 1991. He had joined the Dodgers, had a solid year with the Dodgers, and then kind of fell off there for a few years until he resurfaced with the Yankees in the 96 era. Looks like we've got a big unit in our future there. We'll get to it. First, Robin Yount. Nice shot there. Rags, Dave Righetti. Tony Fernandez, RIP. No longer with us. Great defensive shortstop. The precursor to Derek Jeter. He was the predecessor, I should say. He got hurt and Jeter stepped in, and the rest is history. There's Jeff Reardon. Wow, last 2 cards. Gary Carter. And the big unit, Randy Johnson. Bernard Gilkey, nice shot there. We've got another Hall of Famer. It's Roberto Alomar. By 1991, he had joined the Blue Jays. Glenn Davis. Chili Davis. Steve Farr, Yankee closer at that time. And Mark Portugal, Turner Ward, and Eric King. We're down to about 8 packs here. Brett Butler, swinging away. Looks like maybe he fouled one off. Henry Cotto, David Cohn, still with the Mets at that point. Bob McDonald, Billy Hatcher, Willie Wilson. Great stolen base guy in this time. Dennis Cook. Jose Mesa, long time relief pitcher in the majors. Dave Bergman, Jeff Robinson, and Corey Snyder. These cello packs are just not easy to break. Brian McRae, Candyman again, Wally Whitehurst, Bob Ojeda. John Olerud, Gene Nelson. I'm not even going to flip those. There's really just nothing. Not even worth the time. Sid Bream, Jose Offerman, another Tim Raines, and Harold Baines. Back-to-back Hall of Famers. Paul Sorrento's back. But we do find another Deion Sanders. Another Cone. Ray Lankford. Power hitter of the 90s. Sam Horn. Jose De Leon. One more. Rob Deere. Classic strikeout king. Really would have fit well in today's game. Home runs, strikeouts, and walks. That was Rob Deere's game. He was ahead of his time, I guess, in that sense. Tim Wallach, Paul Sorrento again. I think that's the fourth one we've got here. And forgive me for quickly. There's Pedro Guerrero. Cool shot. But forgive me for plowing through these. We got a few more to go. Normally I'd stop, but we're close enough to the end where it probably just makes sense to finish up. Bud Black. Don Slott. Mickey Tettleton. Run on catchers there. We do have the Hawk. Andre Dawson. Kirk McCaskill, Dwight Evans, there we go. Late career there with the Orioles. Kirk Gibson, there with the Royals. Don't remember that. Tony Pena, this is a great shot. Jack Morris, there with the Twins. He's about to win the World Series that year, 1991. Pitched 10 innings in Game 7. World Series hero, Jack Morris. And Hall of Famer. Dave Bergman. Jeff Robinson. Corey Snyder. Joe Carter in the cage. Wes Chamberlain. Ken Griffey Sr. again. And the last pack right there in front of us. Dave Gallagher, Pedro Guerrero, Ray Lankford, Ramon Martinez, Roberto Kelly, Anthony Telford, Jeff Innes just recently passed away, Tom Bolton, Scott Lace, Ken Oberkfell, and John Smiley. So there you have it, 1991 Stadium Club. And what I'm going to do is show you this and this. These are all the common semi-stars, and here are the Hall of Famers in the box. So very low ratio there. Keep that in mind. I got this box, I think, for about $10 to $15 as part of a 2-box deal. So keep that in mind, though, if you're buying this. The player selection didn't seem that great. Cal Ripken's kind of one of the big ones we got here. We didn't get the Bagwell rookie card. We got a McGuire, a couple of Clemens, Smoltz, a couple of Gwynns, Deion Sanders. That's about it. So there you go. That's 1991 Topps Stadium Club Series 2. And with that, we thank you for watching, and we hope everyone has a great day. So long, everyone.